Talofa lava. That is a welcoming song back home in New Zealand, ko Toia mai, that we have just done. So we are welcoming everyone that's surrounded on this park to bring their waka to come and watch us perform this evening. Our next item are our traditional hakas, both done by the All Blacks, as they will be doing these haka when they travel to over to Ireland and England. So we are going to be demonstrating Te Kapa o Pango, which is the latest of the All Blacks haka and our traditional kamate.
And a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay, the finale for the evening. Tamo Levine. So Maya Tatonu. So my Luma.
Oi moe na o sao te whaatau moa uli moa sina o le moa ua ta I le fia whaamisa. Oi moe na o sao te whaatau moa uli moa sina o le moa ua ta I le fia whaamisa. Oi moe na o sao te whaatau moa uli moa sina o le moa ua ta I le fia whaamisa. Oi moe na o sao te whaatau moa uli moa sina o le moa ua ta I le fia whaamisa.
Ting. Okay, let's go for the Tauranga High School. We invite you to join the boys and girls up in the grass area for our finale. Come forward. This is all part of tonight. Make friends and share some culture. Culture exchange, emails, Facebook. Come forward. So my luma. So my luma. Lima Freddy. So my luma. Aotearoa, let's hit it. Welcome, my Latino. Tira mai ngai ui, tātou tātou e. Tira mai ngai ui, tātou tātou e. Pai a te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngai ui, kia kutahi, kia kutahi rā. Tātou tātou e, tātou. Call upon Her Excellency, CLA Ventura, for your final remarks for the evening. All good things is coming to an end. Have a little more patience before you exchange your email addresses and your Facebook names. Boys and girls, this is for you. Ladies, please on the grass. This is one more speech, please. Taftai. Your Excellency. Alala mai lalo, mai kongu ko wo, sorry.
Thank you very much. And thank you so much to the children. What a wonderful, wonderful performances. Samoa and Māori cultural groups, thank you. So Reverend Natu, Honourable Chairman, Council of Deputies, the Mayor of Apia, Apia Village Council, Principal Cameron Mitchell, members of the staff and the students of Aotearoa Intermediate, and all of our friends here today. It's such a privilege to be here today for the official welcoming of the New Zealand Chogam delegation to Samoa by Apia Village, as well as the cultural exchange between Tauranga Intermediate School and Apia Village youth. We acknowledge the warm welcome that New Zealand has received from the Apia Village. It's been wonderful to see the Māori and Samoan culture on full display today, as well as the many Māori displays and New Zealand flags across Apia. New Zealand and Samoa have a unique relationship grounded in the Treaty of Friendship. This treaty recognises the shared history, culture and familial ties between New Zealand and Samoa. And in this context, New Zealand is committed to supporting Samoa to host a successful Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting next week. I'm joined here today by a number of New Zealand officials who will be supporting Samoan government agencies to deliver a successful CHOGM. CHOGM 2024 is an amazing opportunity for Samoa to bolster its international standing, to foster diplomacy, to strengthen regional and global influence, and to address pressing global issues from a Pacific perspective. And it's a platform for Samoa to broadcast its values and make a lasting impact on the Commonwealth. The meeting next week will be an exciting opportunity to also showcase Pacific leadership and solutions to shared global challenges such as climate change, and our commitment to building a resilient common future for our peoples. As we kick off CHOGM, I'm reminded of the Samoan proverb, Tautua ne mo se taiao manuia. This proverb speaks of serving today for a better future tomorrow. We are drinking from wells we did not dig, and we are warming our hands from a fire we did not kindle. And in that regard, let us dig, kindle and serve today for a better future for those who come tomorrow. We look forward to a successful CHOGM, and thank you so much to the children today for your performances. They were beautiful. Soifua.
Thank you, Your Excellency. It's a whole idea of tonight, as you spoke. If you could reflect back to the sermon by our Reverend Dr. Latu Latai, the message is all there for children for tomorrow. As you can see, the ava, the tanoa, the bowl, you see the feet of the bowl. It's exactly what happened tonight. When everyone come together as one, we drink from the ava, we praise the Lord, and we went to our great Lord in the beginning of this event for blessings, and now we have come to an end. To continue this relationship between Apia Youth and Tauranga Intermediate, I would like to call Lana Fionga le Tua, le Fionga le Pono Suitofia, e te tulayane whamol mole sei tau awena le tato me alofa lea. O le to, this is the stick, Mitchell, to the head principal of Tauranga Intermediate School. When we come before the stick here, when your next visit, we will bestow your title from Apia. As you can see today from the Laua, it goes with the fue. Every time you speak, if you forget about your speech, that's what the fue is all about. You can just pretend there are some flies around, and then you can remember where to continue. Okay, this is your chance if you want to say anything. Okay. Apia Youth, how about a big hand?
Kia ora koutou katoa. Just once again like to convey our sincere thanks to everybody that has put this very special occasion together, not only for us from Tauranga Intermediate in New Zealand, but also for the youth of Apia. It's wonderful to be able to come and form these cultural connections with you. And as the High Commissioner said, New Zealand and Samoa have very, very, very strong connections, and it's a friendship that we certainly hope that we've strengthened today. So thank you once again for your hospitality. I'm going to invite Tui to come forward and say a few words, and then we have a couple of presentations to make. One to Fritz, the Mayor of Apia and the Apia Council, and also one to the High Commission as well.
Talawhalawa o lo ingoa o tuimela o I te whia manao e whaawhetai o tau I awhio maina mātou I le nei aonga I le nei aso. Whaawhetai o tau Friendship Park community mo le tausinga mātou aonga. Ua whiawhia lava mātou i ngongofo i lenei aonga. Alofa atu mo o tau i lenei awhiawhi, whaawhitai lava. Kia ora, my name is Tui, and on behalf of Tauranga Media, I would like to thank you all for having us here. It's been such a blessing, and we've had a wonderful time performing for you. We had some gifts. I think Jack is going to explain what it is.
Just a brief explanation of our koha. We'd like to, on behalf of the school, koha this picture to Mayor Fritz and his people. After hearing the wonderful speech by our Reverend this evening, talking about how we are all one. We are one people, even though we've travelled from Aotearoa to Samoa. We are all part of the Polynesian Triangle. And after hearing the words of wisdom from our Reverend, it was only fitting that we present this picture of the toro. And if you don't know what a toro is like a big giant seagull, but in English it's called an albatross. And the toro was the one who guided one of our voyages called Kupe. The toro was the one who guided Kupe to Aotearoa. And the toro, because of its strength and ability to fly in strong winds of Tawhiri Mātea and Te Rira, it's only fitting that we would like to give this picture of the toro that represents mana, which is the strength of the toro to the community of Apia, and we have a plaque for the High Commissioner on behalf of our school to also give to you too. Kia ora.
Ua whawhetai, wa mali e matai vai, wa tasi lava, i lau nei e o sila le atua mwhawhonga na tātou a whiawhi. O tātou mana onga whoi nā. O nei a whiawhi a whai wā. Iei se tala o whale tonu le tō whawhonga mai, pa o sala whonga ngana tō a ona. E a lafo i nuu le ai ngā. Whatasi mai le atua nea whiawhi, maua pero malosi, lau sunga whawhengainga, o whenga iai man ngaluenga. I le leo loina o lafu maa moi tonu o tātou nuu. Mai se tu ua tātou nuu na whiawan whono su tō whia. Ion tu te whoi whan malo, mai se tam whainga o tātou nuu. Your Excellency Vantoa and your team, and all of you to the Tauranga Intermediate School, safe travels to Savai and safe journey back home. We look forward to hearing from you for a long-term relationship. Until this day, whawhetai te re lava. Iowa, ki lo tātou wā. So,